So as many of you know, we've just made the move back from the United States here to England. We're in London right now, East London to be exact. We had our dog Ollie, we adopted him over in Arizona, we moved to Los Angeles, so now he's kind of doing city life there. He was always kind of not in the middle of nowhere, but definitely quieter area. So we thought one of the first adventures in London should be he gets to experience the train and he gets to go to some sort of local area that he's going to enjoy. So first up, this was his ride on the DLR. The DLR is a dog-friendly train service here in East London, but he actually was surprisingly good with it. And where we went to was Mudchute. Now, Mudchute is, many of you may not know this, but there's actually a farm here in London. It's down towards Canary Woof, Isle of Dogs direction, and it's basically, well, as the name implies, a farm, so he gets to check out all the animals, and they even have like an open little dog park area as well, and he was definitely, I think he was impressed. I'm not sure he liked all of the animals. You're going to see some looks of confusion on his face as he's getting around. The pigs were definitely setting off that snout. If anything though, he's probably more scared of the children than the animals because they're constantly just running around bloody screaming. This is Mudchute Farm, so we're going to give you a little tour around, and if you enjoy the video then please do subscribe. It really is appreciated. We're pushing for like 1,000 subscribers right now. That's kind of the big, I guess, the channel goal and all that good stuff. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers everyone.